Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to restore Facebook Messenger theme to default. So if you already changed a particular Facebook user's Messenger theme and now you want to restore it back to the default, then here, I'm going to walk you through how you can easily do that step by step. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to restore Facebook Messenger theme back to default, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Facebook Messenger app. Click on the user whose theme you want to restore back to default. So let's say this particular user. Once you selected it, go ahead and click on the username. That is the profile name. Then go to customization. Under customization, locate and click on theme. Once you selected theme, then you should see the theme you selected. Now you need to go back, find the main to select the theme that matches the default theme. So it's going to be in form of monochrome. So the monochrome theme is the default theme in Messenger. So go ahead and select monochrome. Then this is how it's going to be. Now tap select at the bottom right and then you're good. Then you see the theme return back to its default settings, and if you hit the back button, then you see the theme just like this. So this is probably the default Messenger theme for all users. So that's exactly how to restore Messenger theme to default. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.